Welcome, everyone. My name's Daniel Swain, also known as Dirty Hippie. This is my Atmospheres and Pads masterclass. It's split into 4 different parts. So, number 1, world of samplers. So, we'll investigate samplers, the native Ableton sampler. We're going to learn a little bit about how to make some pretty nice pads on the sampler. So then part 2, we've got synthesis. So we're exploring the world of synthesis. We're going to go deep into FM synth and wavetable synthesis. We use both operator and wavetable, which is native Ableton synthesizers. So then part 3, we've got more of a post-production exploration. So we're going to use Foley sounds and sound effects that we make from scratch. We're going to warp them and do what we like in weird ways to get cool textures and atmospheres with that. Part 4, we have another pretty cool technique, a reverb technique, which you'll find out what it is. It's really cool and can make heavenly, luscious sounds. And we're also going a bit into layering, so we can learn how to layer sounds. And in part 4, we'll actually consolidate and review some of the other methods we did all into one and layer it all up. And it's fantastic. So, pads and atmospheres. Here we come.